Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look. It is my Valentine's Day makeup look. I went for something quite natural because on a Valentine's Day, whether it's your first date or whether you've been dating for a while or you are married, you sort of don't really want something too out there. You just want something that will enhance your face, which I believe is what makeup is for. It is there to enhance your face. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, then just keep watching. Let's start this Valentine's Day makeup look with primer, and I'm going to prime my face with the NYX Angel Veil primer. This helps your makeup last a little bit longer, and it's a really nice primer. For foundation, I'm going to use the Nars Sheer Glow foundation. And I'm just blending it out with my beauty blender. Concealer, I'm using the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. And to set the concealer and the rest of the face in place, I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD powder. It's just the HD powder. Okay, so I'm just going to blend out my under eyes with the beauty blender again. And I'm just going to use a tapered highlighter brush. Now for all over, I'm just going to use a large powder brush. Now for contour, I'm going to be using this Makeup Forever contour palette, a powder. Can't remember exactly what the shade was. And then now for blush, I'm going to be using the Kylie Cosmetics blush in Barely Legal. This is just like a really nice pink color for Valentine's Day. Now for highlighter, I'm going to use the Kylie Cosmetics Ultra Glow in Santorini. I'm just applying it on my cheekbones, top of my cheekbones. And I'm like tapping like the hell out of the brush to get all the excess off the brush. Now for eyebrows. I'm going to just do my normal eyebrow routine, which is these two products plus a powder and a gel. I'll have listed down below my brow tutorials, so then you can like watch them and see which ones suit you. To prime my eyes, I'm going to be using my MAC Soft Ochre paint pot. I'm going to set that primer in place with using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. And I'm going to use Tempera. I think that's how you say it. I'm just patting this all over the lid, up to the brow bone, up to the brow. Sticking with this palette, I'm going to use this shade here, which is Orange Soda. Just applying this in the crease in large circular motions. Same palette, now I'm just going to use Burnt Orange. I'm going to just basically be using this palette for most of the look. I'm just applying it with the same brush, and I'm just going in windscreen wiper motions. Now going back in with orange soda, and I'm just blending it together. The same palette, and I'm just using this shade here, which is Sienna, and I'm just applying it on a smaller blending brush in the crease, starting at the outer corner, working our way forward in back and forth motions, and I'm just bringing it right into the crease, like right into the tear duct area. Now I'm just going to go in with the large blending brush with nothing on it. Just blend out those shades. Now going in with the Tarte Chrome Paint in Sun Drenched, and I'm just patting this all over the eyelid. Just wiped away some of the fallout. Now I'm going to use this shade in the Soft Glam palette, which is Bronze. And I'm just applying it with my finger. We're going right on the tear duct and on the inner corner. It's like the inner part here and then the tear duct down here. Moving on to the same palette, but this time I'm going to use this shade up here, which is Mulberry. And I'm just using a dense blending brush. This is going in the crease, in back and forth motions, very, very lightly. Now I'm going to go in with this black shade here, which is Noir? I have no idea. And I'm just like tapping off all of the excess. And this is going on the outer corner. Now I'm just going to go back in with the brush that had the Mulberry shade on it, and I'm just blending out the crease just to make sure like there's no black on the crease. And we're just building up this black shade very slowly to avoid a lot of fallout, and that way it's not super messy. Now I'm going to go back in with Mulberry, and I'm just applying that in the crease. And now I'm just going to be applying it to my lower lash line. And here I'm just adding a little bit more burnt orange and just blending out the crease. Now I'm just adding a little bit more of the Sun Drenched shade on the center of the lid and just like going over where the black connects with this shade. Now I'm going to go on to mascara, and I'm using the Benefit They're Real. Now to finish off this look, I'm going to be applying the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in Truffle. Ah, it tickles. So that is the end of my Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel because it means so much to me when you guys do, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks guys. Bye.